Hello, today I will show you some statistical analysis by using Excel, SPSS and R programming language. So in Excel, many options are available inside the data analysis tool. So here we can go by using this way. This analysis based on my previous video explanation. In Excel, ANOVA two-factor with replication analysis is used in this term. So here use the 4 types of carbohydrates basically, because here is the 4 types of carbohydrate provide in the 4 different school in the two different grade. To check the carbohydrate, here is any significant effect or not, that's we wish to check. Data are taken from the 4 different school including 2 grades, grade 7 and 8, 20 students is classes. Here is just initially selected. So here the data are selected for analyzing inside the data analysis in Excel. Select the data table with the in the top bar. Here is a label carbohydrate grade 7 and grade 8. So define the other criteria such rows per sample, that means how many same sample, that means carbohydrate 100 gram that we used in 20 students. So define that one actually and select the output range where you wish to get the result in that analysis. Then alpha label, here is a significant label, this is the default label 0.05, and same way in the output range, here we can select which particular area we use to get the result. So here ANOVA two-factor with replication by using Excel, that analysis is grade 7 and grade 8, 4 types of carbohydrates up to 170 gram. So here and finally we can get the ANOVA table. So we can see here is a statistically significant or not our independent variable on the dependent variable. So here p value in the 2 independent variable in the upper one and second one, so both are less than 0.05, so that's the significant. And also the interaction between 2 independent variable, that's also significant. So if the interaction here is significant, that means p value in the interaction part, this is also less than 0.05, that means this is the significant. So we can't focus on the main effect if the significant interaction has. So if we will get the any interaction effect significantly, then we should do more analysis by using Taki SSD, that means more analysis or more particular things we need to know inside the data and experiment. So in this regard, did more analysis to find out where and how interplay between the 2 independent variables. Another school case analysis in the same regard, that means another particular area in the same things, 20 students and grade 7 and grade 8, that means 2 different classes. Here also we can find the both are main effects, that means sample and columns. Column means grade 7 and 8, here is a significantly different, and sample means the 4 different carbohydrates, those are also significantly effects on the weight, that means weight as a dependent variable. But here is interaction in that part. We can see that the value is greater than 0.05. So that's not a significantly effect. So we can easily say here the main effects are significantly on the dependent variable. Here is another analysis types of data. Here is the 3 types of treatment in the 5 patient, on the 5 patient basically. So treatment 1, treatment 2, treatment 3, is there any significant effect between or among the 3 different treatment? So here we analyzed only single factor analysis ANOVA by using Excel. So here we looked here, that's value also less than 0.05. So single factor of ANOVA analysis is performed and got the significantly effect on the dependent variable. And we can see there is a significant effect on the treatment process. And also in another cases, the control bicycle, red rear reflector, high visibility jacket, and case of reflective tape. In that case, under the 2 street light condition, street light on and off, the detection distance, actually the one researcher defined that one. So street light on and off, that condition or that factor, it significantly affect on the detection distance or not. So here just simple ANOVA analysis by using Excel. Here looked in the sample, that's not a significantly effect. That means street light on and off over their condition, not always the significantly different. That means mean value not too much different here. But in the column, that means for treatment of bicycle, that's the significantly effect on the detection distance. And also interaction, here 0.68, that value, that's not also significantly effect. So here we can easily describe that result, that ANOVA table show that one. The same content analysis by using SPSS and R language. So here in the SPSS analysis, at first we open that software analysis by using SPSS software. Open the file just like that, your desired destination. And actually in Excel many sheets actually can be available. So which one you wanna analysis, So you should define that one at first. Open your target file and define the variables by this way. So here in the first one is string to convert to numeric, and also values. Here we should define here is a 4 carbohydrate, that means 4 types of carbohydrate we used in our experimental design. So one is the 100 gram, 130, 150 and 170 gram that we provided in the lunch time to the student. So here later we decided our student weight actually. So here is defined the value, which one is the 100 gram, which one is the 130, 150 and 170 in that case. So defined by this way. Before going to the analysis part, so we can check easily by this way, and now we can go easily in the analysis part. So here is the one-way analysis or T analysis, and also multivariate analysis. So here is the 2 dependent variable and 1 factor basically. So define the factor, and other 2 is the dependent variable. So we can go analysis by using that way. In the option part, here we should define by this way, and post-hoc analysis, here is the available option, so we can select easily. Perhaps we don't know still we need that one or not, so we can get easily. Here is the details in the SPSS. By using SPSS, here we can get the result. Here we easily define which particular area is significant or not, or if there is any interaction effects, then we can know also from that analysis in details. Significant level in 2 grades, and here is also in different content, and in the Taki SSD, that means in details. Here we can know some information from here. Second example for the same analysis by using SPSS. Here that analysis, and we can get our result, is a significant level or not. Now in the last one, we can go also by this way. That means in the already Excel, here already we analyzed, but in the SPSS here, how we analyze that one. There is significant effect and also in details between 2 subject, and also multivariate Taki SSD, that analysis. And in the R language, here at first convert the Excel file to CSV file by using Excel Save As option. When you open any Excel file, and in the Save As options, here you can decide actually which format you would like to save. So select your CSV file from the desired folder by using that simple language. So very easy language, that's one. Then you can also test your data will come as a truly or in a wrong way. So you can check also data structure. So in that R language, actually R language analyzed that all data in under one column. So at first convert the data in particular data name and also with data, both are parallelly. So in under the column, that means two column, one is the name column, another one is the value column. So each target, each value, that means each name and each value, here we should define at first before going to the final analyze. And here is options, and also we can see as a view df that option in details. Then we can go by using simple way as ANOVA analysis, just one simple term. And we can get also the ANOVA table, just like table. So here is very simple, which one is significant and not. Here is also defined. So thank you very much for long term watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.